Almost killed her.
Literally. Okay guys, I have the first look on. How cute. Very cute, off the shoulder. I am doing Christmas looks and holiday looks. So this is the first dress. It goes down to your calves. Very cute. This is the back. Let me see. Yes, very elegant, and I'm wearing our earrings as well. So time to shoot this look. I'm probably going to take pictures and do videos and cute little things for, you know, TikTok and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys when I get done. And of course I'm using my light that I got from the TikTok shop. This thing is coming in clutch, y'all. So let's go. Okay guys, but this is the second dress. How cute. And this is the back. Yeah, the tits are very sitting. But yeah, we're about to film. Oh, I don't be knowing what to do with my hands. Alright, 3, 2, go ahead. But I'm gonna do it one more time. Just pause. Oh, is that your skin? Yes, yes. It's still your skin? No. Oh. Okay. Right there? Yes. Oh.
Almost killed her.
Literally. Don't drop my camera.
Oh my god,
it's all tilted.
You know, I cracked my camera that night.
You did?
It literally dropped. Okay.
At least it's not the lens.
Yeah, girl, I was like, oh, thank God, girl.
See, I want to use this song. You know how the fashion they do like the split?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be like me, like a twin. It's gonna be like 2 girls, you know. Oh, I forgot I was talking about.
But are you?
But let's get our day started. I just brought all of this stuff in. Look how big this bag is, because I'm shooting for Christmas today, so I'm already tired. But yeah, we had a great day today. Did a lot of content for the store. My coworker was able to come in. She helped me clip my dress, take pictures, take videos. Guys, I'm gonna insert it so you guys can see all the hard work that we. And I know I was telling you guys crunch time has been the last few days, but really tomorrow we gotta get through it. We have to do the rest of the Christmas content as well as the New Year's content. And I was telling you guys that I really want to start doing the content like a month in advance. So it's December, we need to be doing January. January, we need to go ahead and do Valentine's Day, everything for February. Y'all get what I'm saying? It's because y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my tripod. I left my tripod, my light, a bunch of stuff at the store because I don't want to keep lugging it, but I'm gonna show y'all my tripod, and I've been struggling, y'all. But what I'm gonna do is for Christmas I'm gonna get myself a tripod because I can't keep living this way. I can't keep living how I'm living. I literally have a chopstick holding up my my tripod for this camera, and then the tripod I have for my ring light, it's a chopstick at the bottom because the little bottom. Anyway, I'm a little hyped up on coffee, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little tired, miss my baby, miss my husband. I know I have to go home and cook. I want to take a nap, but I think my in-laws are coming to get Avery tomorrow for 3 days or so, so gotta get the house together. So, oh look, the sun's about to set, boo. But yeah, this song has me in a chokehold. Which one to choose? I fell in love with. at the library. We did story time, game time, and all the interactive things. And he didn't really want to participate today, which is normal. He's kind of a shy baby. Do you guys have a shy baby? Because he normally doesn't want to participate in things in public. Now we are just walking around the library, and we're actually about to go because it's about time for his nap, and I don't want him to be overstimulated. So we're gonna head home, eat some food, and then it will be I forgot to show you guys, but these are the nails. Very fall, very fall. Cute.
See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say that you told me. Say without me, couldn't make maybe you misunderstood. See how you were. That just on the inside. You need to get it out. Haven't got enough.
So serious.
Yeah. Just be a man about it. If you wanna leave, go. Just be a man about it.
Sing it out loud.
And I'm supposed to let that go.
Oh, come on.
But where the hell do you get off telling me your mama said I'm not the one you need?
Come on.
Yeah. Tell your mom, since she knows it all, that that's where you need to be. Don't make her refuse. No, no.
Yeah.
Just be a man about it.
Yeah.
If you wanna leave, go right now.
You got me.
Come and get your thing.
Yeah.
And don't
On a search to find your love will stay for eternity. I have a right there for me. Right there around. Right there. My heart got broken. Love is a yeah. Place my heart under lock and key. Take the time. And you're standing here. I think you get here. Bitch, I caught the bus. Be here. I tried and took it for the last time. My heart said no, no. Nobody's supposed to be